first time, you know, first purchase from SIA Company. I've been following the company for a while. You know, since the customization days. This is my first purchase though, you know. Figured I'd spend some of these Black Friday dollars with a black business. Better late than never, you know. So let's see what we got. Damn. Hey, this is heavy. This box is heavy. This box is legit. Honestly, I don't have a shoebox in my closet that is anywhere near this type of quality. This is like one of those boxes for people who don't keep their shoes in boxes anyway. They'll probably still keep this box. So these are the joints. Got a retro lows. You know, I am normally a 9.5, so I went ahead and, you know, sized up as was recommended. So we'll see. We'll see if these joints, you know, fit for me or if I should have sized down. But yeah, I mean, these is clean. This is definitely some very, you know, legit shit. I'm not even no sneakerhead, for real. But I mean, the suede, this shit is some quality shit. Can't argue that at all. So I was in the mall. I was gonna buy some red and black ones, you know, for some, you know, my everyday shoes, like the shoes that I wear when I'm running errands or whatnot, you know, like some sweats and shit. So I was like, I seen the Black Friday sale and just seen what was up there. So I grabbed these. You know, $149.99. I think with tax and shipping came out to like $170 something. You know, not bad. Normal shit. We're gonna try these joints on, see what they do. Right now I got on the Costco socks, man. Anybody who grabbed their socks from Costco know. Big. So anybody who gets socks from Costco know Costco socks be thick. So, you know, since I am a 9.5 and these are a 10, you know, it definitely has the, you know, of course it's a little bigger than my natural shoe. I guess the idea is if you should size down or size up. You know, unless I had a 9 here as well, I really wouldn't know which one I would go with. But I know that sometimes when I size down, like if I were to wear a 9, I don't got no problem wearing dress socks, man, with the sneakers. If that's what I got to do to make them fit. No, but these is hard. These is definitely hard, man. I bought these solely for like what I got on there. Never I'm just throwing on some sweats and want to put on some sneakers because, you know, we ain't supposed to be outside in slides. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't need to know. But, so yeah. These is heavy, man. I'm happy with my purchase. Shout out to SIA. you know, somewhere in America, SIA Collective, and check them out. It's my first purchase, but it won't be my last, you know. Not at all. I'm happy with the purchase. You feel me? Heavy. These joints is clean. These joints is legit. I fuck with them. You know? This is him, man. You know, on the red suede. Leather. You know, diamond cut, suede. At this price point, there's not a sneaker in any shoe store with this kind of quality for this price point. I got these things for $149.99, the Black Friday sale. I don't know how much they retail for, but came out to like $178 after shipping and all that, taxes. But SIA, this is more of a designer shoe than a sneaker, for sure. Just the material, the way this is put together. I mean, just look at all this. I mean, this ain't no, this is not, there ain't no shoe at this price point that's gonna be this quality at all in any shoe store. This is definitely priced at, you know, these are like the $450, $650 type of quality sneakers for sure. Not normal shoe store sneakers, but quote unquote designer sneakers. But I'm happy with them. You know, SIA Collective.